journey, the journey,
Mami Chiao, Naminjo Tata, and brought the Journey TV show. So this season, yeah, we Belgium. I am Ghana this year. Eba between komo ewo jumadi so. Yani Ghana this year. I was Belgium. Maimu eba between komo. Eti omo brabo akontu. Enti Mr. Eyano wajibre na washemi. Me da bo afuasi so masoma say di me about all the way to Belgium for this new season. The Journey TV show. We are here to inspire. The journey. Baby, we are be and check us here and come on. And so, yes, share it with you, my dear, so near Baba to train come on. The season, the workers have been a hifana me I me were Europe, a Belgium, memoir, many Ghana and penny for a titrini apparenting a babacasa or at Doom TV so. Nansana no, Mamina above 4 months of Massina and I watch you be a bit media ebro. A time here by Mr. or see malaria dear, where you are any time. One of time, Marina, the give us clean care, SCSF. Eye medima for herbal center say yare ben say you stroke diabetes yare bia doctor time that so say oba obehwe ama bibia aye kama nyadua for semestro wanum ato na se niema enkoyi a mesro unya bia bibia ebeye kama na nye your sponsors inko ye ba Europe ma mo haso ye won panyufo bia omo asoya sin na ye di dwumadie ebro eye King Solomon African shopper eye shop kesi a eye Ghana niama de se ye fufu eye bayire bibia wo pebia no eye shop kesi pa omo bua ema Europe ha se eye ye nanane ye maame ne ye nua no mo haso timinya efie nua edi omobo ama bibia ekoso afi eye queenie shipping Mr. say ye shipping ho ade dia o hwe me a obusuani bi wo Europe now you so send oni oma door to door eye container whatever it is no o contacti omo a ombetimi ashipi ama bibia aye kama afi Annie Love Shipway na mama ye snatched eti dwumadie so Annie Love asheme faha abo me West trainer asese me kama oba Mr. enjeja wo hungum e wo say we look good for the husband so that you can always be attractive. Annie Love say ye Shipway there wo contact na bibia ebeye kama enye mpanyufo enko a eye the NAC travel consults they are very genuine into when it's ticketing and everything concerning travel there Mr. Empenyufo utimi dan wo mo bibia ebeye kama eye Empenyufo with Adum TV and Nox TV Africa and now Omaso Masinam di Jumadi bro me dan me wa kwajen krato me ba I'm bringing you a new season very powerful stay tuned.
Journey, the journey, the journey.
Yakoji enkwato aba uguswe Adum TV Mr. enemy guest no ya papa ya de nyina openyi Apostle Tony a oni na yo openyi powder new generation chapel ano ewo Belgium ena mene no etwetwe nkomo nti Mr. Jibre na yenkasa papa akwaba
ya media
ya da say ye ba Belgium hawaji yemfel so say obeba be share wo journey with us na for you for what point you know yenim say wo yourself for there na eye den and obey apostle
me da wase bebre ene wasem bisa na michia wetiefo ne wahwefo nyina nso nyame yede nyame asese wode won so abetue wa bruchira and let me just say that somebody me admire people. You're a very pretty woman. God bless you.
Thank you.
Well, your friend Apostle Tony, it is in here. Okay, na asofudie e ye frɛ. Asofudie e ye frɛ enye dwuma yekosua.
Okay.
Asofudie de obeka kire wo sɛ yekosua asofudie no odi ntro. Ye frɛ wansa na wosua. Bibi.
Nice, your phrase, so it's a gift. When you have it, as always, Marco learning on your gifts.
It is not really a gift, it's a calling.
It's a calling. Oh, calling. Ah, okay. The almost say me ba sorry. I
you know, a friend no ye adebia unya atinkane wo mu. Nanya just dakro. Eye osumo a ode sum Nyankopɔn. Ene wa ho blase ene ye kan ahoto fache.
Ena ofa mu hira o.
Ena ofa mu ehwe na ode saa ofre no ama. If it's a Bible kyerɛ say ebra wo course no Efesofo ngoma 3:9 kono si na o maybe mo beye apostle ebi mo beye difo ebi mo beye asofo nsempakafo ene a teacher for enti ye ono ena ofre na nye ade a ye hyeda kosua
ekosua enti yensua eye ofre eye atinka nyame ene wo kasa eya na ebinum kasa nyame ne wo kasa ne enim se bi obegina ho no abop no wase bi apostle Tony sorry bra me ba sorry na koye wejuma and I say eye atinka like it's a spiritual thing that we can talk about.
I think it's something within. It's a spiritual thing, yes, and it can be also physical thing.
How physical?
Physical thing can be like some of us and you're sensitive within the spirit.
Okay.
Intuition. Your flower. It could be also for penny beer. We shall not see. Otimunu say, a branch a dear way one so. Na memoano. Inti say, who dear no one casa would think, say, me son die na me jina baby. So that I be a yamin na mensa so na me your prophet no to me who near ma do I sorry ba otimi yeah otimi who near ma near there obi your suffer so bo say like otimi do nipa to me can nipa bom and near ma intino and no sabra no otimi bo ho pa e nyame confirm no be confirm so the confirm fa was so from penifo so ni e di from penifo so ma hu say ofre no say anything.
Okay, obitimi wo ho prophets ne neta yo so anya vision wakana bam eya mo hu ni sen cause obeka obitimi ka ayese dito na de na oka ye ni nyina happen eya na nyame bie ti se TV ena ma mo hu ni nyina na mo atwuru ato ho and how do you confirm prophecy? Good.
Me myself, I'm not a prophet. Okay. But as an apostle, onyame adum ye wosa adumachede ni nyina. Sometimes you can be a teacher, apostle, but you can be a teacher, a pastor, a prophet, and you know, sometimes as an apostle experience, God can reveal. Utimi bie ade bie ni so echrew. Send ye be she nasem so ma. And the bimu so that prophetic gift. You know, the way they see
it's serious.
It be serious.
Serious, like dito that happens.
Yes, it is there. It is there. But lo, behold, and be warned. Some of them also can use other medium.
Other spirits.
Yes.
Now would you say nyame say?
Ebrebi na me na mabrochire abontene na India ni bi hu me no ofre me.
Okay.
Me Christo ni ho. No ofre me. But that time I was desperate now. And your man koye.
Wow.
You know, I believe na me wa konchini mo. A brantie whom ya my penny kakra frame no frame. So my brother, come. The call ya no started. What they started from me my meeting.
To kabibia. So when
my dear, or kabibia fay, but then I know as a believer, as somebody I know say ohunu but then free nyame. So you were careful. I was careful. When he said all that, I said thank you very much. But let me also tell you, my brother, Jesus loves you. No jina. Okay, everything I'm going through, what I'm about to experience, okay. But that doesn't mean say free nyame.
To dinner nice why
yeah. Sanity.
Wow, and that what do you from? And the Yahunya Mimunka Craffy, Bawaso, Patch of Fire film, where Ghana need the Ghana for Bushia Fonia the Fogina showy, and he now fee, then I be PM Waha, Wabra walk on to it here, and another day, I won't come up. It's if I'm finding it.
Okay, my dear, I'm part me a Ghanaian. If you're things with a trim, you know, him crow side honor. Okay, you drive him crow. What do you call mine? Yes, Lewin Cromo. Okay, and me free. Okay, honor your woman, mammy, because school top test.
Okay.
You know, at the tender age, in the Demiba Abroach.
Oh, so the Obantem.
Me Bantam Pa.
Ah, we uncle Fonia, a Bantem Nibi.
Me Bantam Pa.
Besha won't watch it.
Matra Broche, I mean, Canada, do I say, Becca?
Ah, it's Oba Broche has a was Obantem. And so they ever queen as a quada, or parents, Edoba Hano. Na entity any assets and it's the same. But sometimes when you go to the school, racist name, near Maui, Tumuda Coco Fumu, fire fast, it's none because a bit more shy be up, I say, neighbor so so that they can psych up and say next year.
My dear Ayampa, my boss, a young man, I think Form 2 to Form 3, secondary school, and me buy. That me buy, and I say, a student, about Abroach. You know, I was so excited.
Oh, okay, as a student.
You know, say, I'm a student to Ghana, so
okay. Like primary JHS or
no, but then was senior secondary school.
Oh, and then when you
yeah, those days.
Okay.
You know, yeah, me buy, you know, me betwa student life, no so. Incredible sem, and yeah, dear. Me encoded so much. Me really is a police aside me the Ghana.
Okay. Wow.
The real say you deport to me.
As I go Ghana.
As I go Ghana because of Encrabonism, the mean Tiashi, the Muriana Jumi Ohana. I say Obasako. I think I stayed 3 years in Europe.
Belgium here.
No, in Holland.
In Holland. Ne Sandoko see Ghana. Offense
Kotoka. Offense one Ukrano. Me do and Kamina one campaign because share a class.
Oh wow. Wow. Answer. You then ma almost I do buy.
And a jack minia bana or Yankupon Shran Bebre. Or sa Accra with me Jano Ghana. I ran out what time was your phone in the antidote. My main father. And that was at me buy along the way buying on the buying and so. Mammy Shibio, I feel crowd and I acquire a come. And Crabonism now more than.
Listen, no, minimum you do obey, so you need to be a testimony.
And you know,
wow.
Yes, I chimney you.
Again.
Yes, I chimney you.
Wow.
As then Kenya, me never be who Christian.
Oh, wow.
Never be who Christian. And we said the third day they will bring me with the Rebecca Ghana. But when you make Christian, no, name the order me by intino.
No, do.
Or Jimmy Free, a moo.
Wow.
A chinuma, and Yama starting said.
Oh, wow. And see, a near master to go in a video best some be ye nipa from be ye nipa kind. When your bonny be a no
Bonnie, dear, Cassie, and Bonia.
No, quite a bonny
and quite a bonny, Debbie. Sabra, Germany, Fikaka, into the number only said me quetch. Oh, woman, almost starting in a Kojame. I mean, as a nipa, a human being, you need to think. I sat down. Maybe you Christo ni na MPP, my dear Makasan Bako. And nipa be breathing some be ye Christo ni. I na omubody no. Aye Christo ni. No. Aye home ye Christo ni. So you need to work out your Christo somno. Christo somno wa hunamoni. Until I sat down to think, say, baby, I'm a druno. Min jokubio.
Yes, we're for our bonny serious.
In this ubeye ya, mammy.
Ejina also.
And ye will Christo sumna mawi.
No.
Ubeye ya, and yet how you position yourself. Into mammy, and Tinaming, not Christo Fanamuana, or the woman.
Now, so yet, Shirama.
Hallelujah.
Okay, and I feel best, Sabibia. So after you being good and all that, how was life? We Juma Kakra, now Braboni to see us obey apostle.
Hey, mammy, media sorry che.
Oh, like how many years?
Hey, my goodness. Now I sorry media sorry 28 years.
Wow.
So imagine, so because of 20 years, I can't really say how long have I lived in Europe?
Yeah.
Well, therefore, 28 to 30 years. I mean, and I serve God with humbleness. And those, my senior pastors who raised me up, they will bear with me. Say, Miss Sunyami, bless you, Miss Sumun Soria, Miko, Miss Sumun Penufua, Miss Sunwomu in humility. Namam praise a mayor software.
Okay.
Midjani or suffered.
Akrabi kwa krabi a ono so person di no ho na
No, midjani asofudie, but the drew baby no masori asofo mpanimfo no say baby a wadru no.
Wadru de ofa baby enye.
Ofa baby a ofre no aye
enya
aye client no.
Yeah.
Nti ebo na Kristo adom. E show mo sofo a nyame enam nadom so di me abedru mpempenso a mabeye apostle.
Ugusu abibia eko. Nti ye hra brochire ha brabo ene Ghana asofudie na ohwe a etesen.
Me de nyame asese my dear we bisa sa question we dia mesremika Ghana asofudie ni bi sabio Ghana asofudie ni bi omudi hene. Mama me catch was in Europe.
Ghana with Christianity is so much.
Oh my God. Kromwa asofo, I can speak for all the pastors. Wow. All the pastors. They work hard. We go to our 8 and 10 hours work. And when we come home, we see BCC weekday services. Wona wuko biepono. Sa enkunana was all shishe. Wona we no ma. A house of the any there. Mechanism Ghana de bimo minka se omu nyina ebimo eji omu ni ayede enti na me kwa me se me tuko Ghana
na yɛhwɛ Ghana the most asɔfo nyɛ adwuma because the obeka cho say asɔre na adwuma no yɛ full time work na haya wotua bills so yɛkɔ ne sɛn
ensɔre ni bi etimi epeja adru sa empempenso no
okay
wɔn mutimi ka sɛ wɔn asɔfo no ebi entina fie because adwuma no so ebenya nkasa na wɔ sɛ ba nanso utu kwai no uba se obeyi adwuma di aboa
abusie da oso
enti se wanhwe ni yi na okoba se asori nkoa
enye bibia
nto so a anhwa na daache no wakoka se nyame ni wangi ni yi
na nye nyame na ye wa na woni ho ndi ni yi
I believe so for ni de me ha mani nka won nyina ye adwuma a few I've not known but a few make us say no crowd I don't see to me ona minimum de obia eyejuma
apostle say the obeka ne say asofo ne de ogidi se obia eyejuma me da me ho akwaji aboafo nkrato me ba ye beto juma de ne so enko bebia
journey the journey
Akwaje enkroto aba oguswa ehwedi Jenny ewo Adom TV enne mikasa all the way from Belgium ameni opanyin pa the new generation chapel Apostle Tony ene twetwe nkomo wodwumadie so it is a fee ena watnase a jekonja na yentoa so papa enne wakasa bebre ni agi enchi bia yebeko emofra the youths ema menom ye papa abusia obi a ohwew Asemba ko ben na ade beja sa nipa na ne remfi Apostle Tony da.
Wow. Dear mechanic say I know say obi ewa ha or shey ewa Africa or shey Ghana be shey America the whole world where the be shey Europe. Dear mechanic say from my experience sa abrabo we aye boy my dear say Christo ni mo a
enye
ma hwe me try ewo me aminyanse mu me try wo ma ho odini mu at the end of the day no I started zero
again
onyame asumdwe ni animonyam nkanyame se odomfo bi ye me adom esa edini besi ma Kristo ba mu no Kristo ba mu na me hunu se enema nti no yemma no ehu Kristo not per se asorico
but yehu se nyame wo
yemma wo mu hunu se Kristo o nyame wo ho
the journey so dear oba ye wo niema fefefe bi ayeye o entia apostle we ba ko mama fe
God mami ni we
okay the dan but obi aka che so kasa say papa odru
we the number 10 it could be say maybe some papa we can be bisano because you tintin crass so said
voice no nina
that's right
we dey I na dey the journey first me say this is your pick and art what can you do for love
Oh gosh, what can I do for love? I just love.
What can you do for love? Anybody can love, but how deep can you go for mama?
Oh my goodness, mama, one thing I do for love, especially for my dear wife, is that I protect her. No matter what, whether she's mistaken, she's
right
wrong, I always defend her and protect her.
Enti nanka wo se ebe mo hampers na so mo hwe kilos na yenti mi alpha man still ye nja mwomo eti ade de baby ebe ko bia ye de ma o ka say ya no wakai wachi. And then we have a beautiful frame for you to the go the Journey TV show. You see that's a pass your by Uji and Felso the Journey for SMA from Mount and can just say thank you so much.
Thank you so much
for being on the show.
God bless you.
It's been amazing. And then many Apostle Tony out the New Generation Chapel all the way from Belgium and at Chincommo with the Journey TV show. So Miss Rona, what you be a Kai say a brand new Obetna Dun TV on Wahre. I said that the Siancoma Boafunina was on my cinema season in Bro all the way from Belgium. I fame that Dun TV I say Nox TV Africa. Or more and or more Jijumadi Ejnam. A try to say, Team nearby, look at the air, Mary. On an eye, Bibia, and to baby open your pan will be a Yami Eshrano. Yami Shra Obibia, and thank you for watching me all the time. I send back on the Bia make a show. Missing Yami Woma, Ebe ye, meeting at the Abena Ghana, Abuno for a good year. Welcome to share, my crowd.
The journey, the journey, the journey.